Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, check if it is a straight line. So you are given array coordinates I equal xy, where xy represents the coordinate of a point. Check if these points make a straight line in the xy plane. So let's see the example. So you are given this input array and the output is 2 because so we can create a straight line with this point like this. So all points are on the line, so that's why in this case we should return true. Okay, so let me explain with this example. So to solve this question, I think there are several ways to solve this question, but easiest way to solve this question is that so let's say we are now third point. So in that case, if slope of first 2 point and slope of first point and the third point, so these two slopes are same. In that case, at least these three are on the straight line, right? So to calculate the slope, so this is a formula. So 1 and so this is a 0, not all, be careful. So these numbers are index number, so y1 means so this 3, and the y1 minus y0 is 2, so I mean this height, divide x1 minus x0 is here. So we will get the slope between these 2 points. And then, so now we are here, third point. So y and x is a third point. And y minus y0, so this height, divide x minus x0, so here. So we will get the slope like between first and the third point. And so if they are same, in the case, at least these three are on the straight line. So, but problem is, so what if we get 0 from this calculation, like x minus 0 or x1 minus x0 or x minus x0. So we can't divide the number with 0. So how can we avoid the 0 problem? So I think it's easy. This is a mathematics problem. So as I told you, if their answers are equal, we can prove that so these three are on the straight line. So how can we keep the so this equal without a division? It's simple. We switch the let's say g's x calculation. So that means so if we switch these two x calculation, so in the end, so this y value multiply this x calculation, and on the other hand, this y value multiply this x value. So yeah, this is a mathematics problem. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, just Google it. So if we switch these two x values, so we will change the division to multiplication, right? So if these calculations are same, we can confirm that these three are on the straight line. If not the case, we immediately return false. Yeah, so we will implement this formula. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, get the first 2 points coordinate. So x0 and then y0 equal coordinates, and this is a 0, and I copy this and 1 1 1, and then start looping from index 2. So in range index 2 to length of coordinates. So first of all, get the current xy position, xy equal coordinates and I, and then as I explained earlier, we will implement the formula. So if y1 minus y0 multiply, so x minus x0 is not equal y minus y0 multiply x1 minus x0. In that case, if they are not same, immediately return false. And then after finish for loop, so it means that all points are on the straight line, so that's why we should return true. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it. Sorry, misspelling. I think double O. So let me submit it. Looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is a number of coordinates. Yeah, this is a very simple solution code. So we take first two coordinates and then start from index 2. So that's why time complexity should be order of n. And the space complexity should be order of 1. So that's because we don't use extra data structure, just simple variables like x0, x1, something like that. So that's why space complexity is O1. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.